Let's start by opening Video.Guru. I have 2 stock videos that I will load into a new project. This first video, Video 1, we will demonstrate removing a specific segment of time from a video. This is a very short video, so we will remove a very small segment of time. Video 2, we will demonstrate altering the speed of a specific segment from a video. There's a couple methods for this video. I will show you one way. Let's slide back over to Video 1 and start the process. First, we're going to copy. We have 2 exact replicas. We select the first copy and use the trim command, and now we can adjust the time. Let me enlarge this segment so you can see it a little bit clearer. Select the video, copy, 2 exact copies, select the video, trim command, time select, and this will specifically edit our video and its end time. What's in the red box remains. We will now select the second copy and edit the start time. Our first copy ended at 2 seconds, so our second copy, I think we'll have it start at about 5 seconds. And this will remove a small segment of a time from our video. Playing it back, it looks a little choppy. Video.Guru does give us the option to add a transition between our videos. I will use the mix transition. There is a large variety of transitions between videos that you can use. There's the button, and this is the mix transition. Playing our video back, I think we're pretty good and we can move on. Let's see what's in Video 2. I think we're going to re-demonstrate the first process by copying our video twice. This will give us 3 segments. We could do this simply by splitting our video, but I wanted to repeat what we learned in the first video. So our 3 copies, I'll have one be about 3 seconds long. Segment 2, I will modify the start and end time, and these will all line up so it's one seamless video in 3 separate parts. Select the last segment, modify the start time to line up with the second segment of Video 2. And now we can go to the second segment and modify the video speed. You can do this for the first portion of your video, slow it down and speed it up and have a normal middle segment, or you can speed up the middle segment. It's up to you. This is your world. Do what you'd like to your videos. Sometimes the video will get a little bit choppy and look weird if you accelerate the speed past 4 times. I try and keep the video speed to about 2 times, maybe 2.5, but 3 to 4 it starts getting really weird. Unless you're modifying a slow motion or a time-lapse video to make it look more normal. hope this video helped. Please check out my other Video.Guru videos and some of the music videos I've created using Video.Guru. Thank you.